Hello everyone, it's FUD this side, and today we are going to learn how can we hack Telegram gaming games using Python. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to change scores and we are just going to make it higher. So let's get started without wasting any time. For this I have a game URL here. You can just open the game in any game in your browser. Like here, I'm just going to use Firefox. Now my Firefox is already configured with burp suite. You can check the tutorial how to do it in the tutorial series, or I will just leave the link in the description down below. So what we have to do before playing this game, what I'm going to do is we are just turn on the intercept here, and then I'm going to click on play. So this is basically a game. In case of this game, you could choose any one, and I'm just going to out like this one. So the next thing that we have to do is here you will see in the burp suite, since our interception is on, whenever this browser makes certain request to the server, we'll see that request here. Now we have to check few things. First of all, the request is api.gamee.com, and if it is post, then we have to temper it. But here you can see it's options method. So we'll just simply forward it. Now here, this is the request that we have to temper. Here the host is api.gamee.com and the method is post. Now we have to change few things here. First of all, let's see what things we have. So here game ID is 50. This is the game ID. It will be unique for every game. Then score is 2. I want to change this score. So let's see how can we do this. So first of all, I'll be leaving the link of the code that I have written, using which you can change the score. So I'll leave this link in the description again. You can just click on the raw and copy this entire code here. Okay, then next you have to do is just type run Python online and open any website that you want. I'll be opening program is here, so let me just open it and then we'll just paste it here. Done. Now we have to change few things here. First of all, the score that you want. For example, currently here you can see my score is 2. I want to change this to let's say 65. Okay, then playtime I want it to be, you can just do it anything random. Let's say I want it to be 90. Then what we have to do, we have to change the same things in our code also. So here in the browser, this is 60 score, then time is 90. Then you need the URL of the game, which you can get here. You can see the game URL. You can just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so I have already copy pasted it. Then state, which is empty here, so we have to leave it as empty. If there's any value, yeah, you can see game state data is null, so we have to just leave it empty. Then finally what we need is this UUID, which will be again unique for everyone. So let me just copy it and then paste it here. You can see your UUID here. So after clicking on this, click on run. Okay, so here you will get a checksum like this. What you do, you have to copy this checksum and then you have to change the checksum here. Okay, update the checksum. Finally, let's see. Oh, sorry, I had made the score 65, not 60 here. So 65 and then 90 and then this and then this. Let's again generate the checksum. The checksum will be different for every value. So let me just copy it back and then paste it here. Finally, I'm going to do is I click on the right click on it, do intercept response to this request, and then I'll simply forward it. Once we forward it, you can see it's we are getting a 200 OK response, and here its result is we are successfully changed it. Okay, now let's see the response. Do we have anything else to? Yes, finally we have to just forward it. Okay, so you can see our score is changed 65. So this is how you can temper gaming games. I hope you learned something new. Leave a like or dislike on this video. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.